are used for voting politics. Therefore, the principle of secularism is falling behind. A new concept of secularism emerged, which was closer to views of both Gandhi and Nehru.
প্রিয় দর্শক, আপনারা দেখছেন আইএসএফ বাংলা। এই মুহূর্তে যে খবরের দিকে চোখ রাখবো, আপনারা অনেক মানুষ বুঝতে পারছে না যে আইএসএফ দলের অর্থটা কি বা আইএসএফ দলটা কি। আপনারা জানেন ইন্ডিয়ান সেকুলার ফ্রন্ট, অর্থাৎ শর্ট ফর্মে নাম দেওয়া হয়েছে আইএসএফ। সেই আইএসএফের আমরা কিছু ব্যাখ্যা বা সেকুলার মানে কি জিজ্ঞাসা করার চেষ্টা করব। আমাদের এই মুহূর্তে কলকাতা হাইকোর্টের আইনজীবী আছে আমার পাশে, তার সঙ্গে কথা বলবো এবং সেকুলার মানে কি সরাসরি কথা বলার চেষ্টা করব।
A new concept of secularism emerged, which was closer to views of both Gandhi and Nehru. Indian Constitution and secularism. The Indian concept of secularism is that the relation between state, society, and religion are not well defined. Personal laws vary from religion to religion. The precarious position of religion minorities and the affiliation of political formation with religious fundamentalists pose severe challenge to the success and further of secularism in India. It can be considered that secularism in India today is too politicized, and it is necessary to find a way to depoliticize secularism and to move it further into the domain of civil society. At the outset of the making of the Constitution, the concept of secularism was not expressly mentioned in the Indian Constitution. However, the Indian Constitution has spelled out several provisions in Part 3, Article 14, 15, 16, 17, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, Part 4, Article 44, Part 4A, Clause E, that reflects the existence of the secularism. The conjoint reading of all these articles makes it evident that the intention of the Constitution further was neither to oppose religion nor promote rationalization of culture. Although the word secular was first time inserted in the preamble of the Constitution by the 42nd Amendment Act 1976, which came into effect on the January 3rd, 1977, secularism was a part of the Constitution. Word secular was inserted in the preamble. The 42nd Constitution Amendment Act 1976 stated that secular means a republic in which there is equal respect for all religion. Despite the clear letters of the law, the Honorable Supreme Court has interpreted on various occasions via various judgments. But one thing is apparent: secularism, as a mention in the Indian Constitution, does not mean anti-God or atheist. Instead, it means the state should not have any religion. Supreme Court of India, in the case of Indira Nehru Gandhi versus Raj Narayan, year 1975, held that secularism means that state shall have no religion of its own and all. Secularism in India. Secularism has no alternative option in multicultural nation like India. Therefore, the Indian Constitution adopted secularism. People of different languages and religions live in Indian Union. They need secularism to keep them together. Therefore, with the right to freedom, it was necessary to accept secularism. Though there is an attempt to bring unities in diversity in India, the minority communities suffer injustice, oppression of minorities. Of course, even after the formation of secular state, the spirit of nationalism could not be created. Awareness of social intolerance among the minorities is a threat to national integration. There is a need of secularism to instill a sense of nationalism among the minority group in the country. Although India has adopted the concept of secular state, in fact, religion has been politicized. Religious institutions are used for voting politics. Therefore, the principle of secularism is falling behind by the increasing communalism. Communalism is anti-democratic, so the concept of secularism needs to be rooted in the promotion of democratic values. In a pluralistic society like India, politics based on religion is detrimental to national integrity. Therefore, in order to build a strong democracy, the values of secularism must be respected in the society while respecting religious values. As the Indian scenario of secularism is concerned, a look into the records of the Constitution Assembly's debates reveals that the general understanding among the members of the assembly was that India was to be a secular state.